Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you're well. So I wanted to do a really quick video and give you a tour of the new Fitness Foundry app. So once you get your activation email, and by the way, the activation email will be sent from Fitness Foundry, not from my personal email address, Coach Julio's address. But once you get it and you click on it, it will bring you to this screen, whether on your phone, smart device, or your laptop. And all you will need to do here is to put in your email and create a password. I have already added programs and workouts for you. Once you do that, it will bring you to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see a whole bunch of features like update measurements, log nutrition, start chat, add progress. But let me just show you the meat and potatoes of this app and how it's going to complement our training. We will go into programs. So I will go through a couple of these, but let's go into programs and how this is an excellent tool to keep you on target. In there, you will have one or more programs. Once we click on it, I have laid out for you the week workout and activities. So for example, I have a dumbbell workout for myself, a foam rolling circuit, some breathing exercises, a doc or reminders about steady state cardio and the benefits of it. You will have all of this already pre-filled, and we will go week by week. And that's how we do progressive challenge and make sure you get long-term results. So the next step will be, what does a workout look like? So once you click on the workout, so this is day one, it will bring you to another screen. And in here, it will be like a typical Coach Julio workout. We will have reps range I would prescribe. You will know how long to rest between each exercise. The suggested weight will probably be in the notes because every exercise will have a form of notes. So for example, left and right movement equals 1 repetition, hold position for 2 seconds. I have a very special way of coaching and a lot of variations of exercises. So that being said, once you go into the app, you will see videos of the exercises, and the majority will be with me. Now, you won't be able to hear this because I am doing this video, but every exercise will have a video, and you can pause, watch it at your convenience. So I will stop this one. And if you have any questions regarding the exercises, you can send me an email. You can directly chat with me through the app. Another cool feature is, as you see in the bottom, you can print out your workouts. Yes, so I believe this print feature can only be done on your laptop, but it may be also be done, or desktop, can be done from a smart device. I am still learning some of the in and outs of using this platform. Now, let me show you a couple of other cool things. Calendar. In the calendar, I will also have some free live events like boot camp workout, things like that. If you click on there and put in my name, as you can see, I have a live abs and glute workout coming up. You have access to that. There's something called a marketplace, which I will have other information and other things available that we can add to your program. Now, if you are trying to add some more features to it, which I would probably suggest, we can add or integrate other apps that you may be using. So for example, if you are using MyFitnessPal, we can integrate MyFitnessPal into here. If you're using Google Fit, Apple Health, a running app, other apps, very likely we can integrate this. If you're using Lose It, we can continue to use Lose It. I'm just showing you that this has other features that will allow us to centralize all of your activities. Why is that important? Because we want to be able to track and change our activities accordingly. Numbers have a lot of meaning when we're working out and doing activities. Now, that brings me to another thing. If I go into the hubs, activity in the gym or at home is one thing, but we also want to create and develop healthy habits. So I may send you a habit or a reminder like to celebrate an achievement, drink a certain amount of water, walk 10,000 steps. So there are other things that I'm going to include in your program that are conducive to healthy living. So this is truly, truly, truly another way that you can work out anywhere and anytime with my app. And I will guide you, as always, along the way. Last and not least, If you have any questions, you can always email me regarding certain settings, features, and things like that. You may have one common thing about notifications. So a big part of my style of training is accountability. That this takes us to a whole nother level. If you have a workout planned, a certain activity, it will remind you. And it will also remind you if we're doing like body sculpting about updating your measurements and things like that. So if you want to disable them, you go into settings, go into features, click on notification, and you will see how you can disable and change that accordingly. So there you have it. That's about it. Oh, if you're still watching, let's go to one more thing, results. So result tracker. We are able to track everything and anything regarding your activity. I already said that earlier. But for example, I'll walk you through this. We can track your results with your body weight, your measurements, your body fat, a specific exercise if you wanted to get your barbell bench or squats to a different level. If you're running, if it's cycling, we can track your distance, time spent for each workout, how much weight you're lifting, and completed workouts. Completed workouts is fantastic for accountability. So there you have it, my friends. I am excited to be working with you on this new venture. It's only going to get better. One thing you can always remember that I 100% will give you unconditional support, and I will be there step by step along the way. Feel free to email me with any questions, and that's it. Have a nice day.